Welcome in to another edition of Tribe Sports Today presented by the Tribe Club. I'm your host, Andrew Phillips, and we're going to take a look back at some of the Tribe action to start 2015 and look ahead into the upcoming week. We'll dive in with men's and women's swimming, who picked up wins over Davidson this weekend. The men locked up their fourth straight winning season with a 171-104 win, while the women cemented their 11th straight winning campaign with a 164-125 triumph. On the men's side, senior Tegan Clark won both the 50 and 100 freestyles, while freshman Evan Baker took home the 100 and 200 flies. For the women, junior Jesse Ushanauskas and sophomore Jamie Miller were triple winners. Both swam on the 200 medley relay win, while Ushanauskas won the 100 fly and the 200 free individually, and Miller won the 50 and 100 freestyles. The men's tennis team opened up their 2015 slate in the Sunshine State, posting a 1-1 mark. The Tribe opened with a 6-1 win at Florida A&M before battling number 13 Florida to a 9-3 decision. William & Mary continues on the road as it travels to Harvard for 2 matches this weekend. The Green and Gold faces the number 29 Crimson on Saturday before meeting Boston College on Sunday. The women's tennis team opens up its 2015 slate at home at the McCormick Nagelson Tennis Center this weekend. William & Mary faces in-state foe Richmond on Saturday before welcoming number 2 ranked Duke to Williamsburg on Sunday. Both matches carry a 1 p.m. start time. The women's basketball team will look to get back to its winning ways this week when it closes out a 3-game homestand against Drexel. After suffering losses to Elon and CAA favorite James Madison to open league play, the Tribe will welcome the Dragons to Kaplan Arena on Thursday night. The game will be streamed live for free in HD on Tribe Athletics TV via tribeathletics.com, starting at 6:45. The women close out the week as they travel to Delaware to take on the Blue Hens on Sunday afternoon. The men's and women's gymnastics team will open up its 2015 calendar right here in Kaplan Arena. The women have their pink meet on Saturday afternoon at 4 p.m. against Towson, while the Tribe men will host the State Open on Sunday at 3 p.m. Tribe's men's basketball moved its CAA ledger to 3-1 with an exciting win over James Madison on Saturday. Terry Tarpey was named CAA Player of the Week after recording the first triple-double in William & Mary history against the Dukes on 18 points, 11 rebounds, and 10 assists. Senior Marcus Thornton led all scorers with 27 points on 7 of 11 from three-point range versus James Madison. This week, William & Mary welcomes UNC Wilmington to Kaplan Arena on Wednesday for 7 p.m. tilt. Fans can watch the game for free on Tribe Athletics TV via tribeathletics.com. The broadcast will begin around 6:45. The Tribe closes out its week on Saturday as they travel to Towson for a noon contest. The game will be televised on Comcast Sportsnet and simulcast on CAA.tv. And that'll wrap us up for another edition of Tribe Sports Today presented by the Tribe Club. For all of your William & Mary sports needs, stay tuned right here to tribeathletics.com, and also be sure to follow us on all of our social media sites. I'm your host, Andrew Phillips. We'll see you next time.
The Tribe Club, essential for excellence.